Hello traders and welcome back to my trading channel. In today's video, we are going to be discussing OCO orders. First, let's define its meaning. OCO stands for one cancels the other, and it is a type of conditional order that allows you to set up two separate orders at the same time. That is it, guys. It is pretty easy to understand if you already know about stop limit orders. In case you don't know, here is a link to my previous video where I explain it. So now I'm going to show you an example of how to execute it in the Binance exchange. For this example, let's say you have a long position in Bitcoin from this point, but you are not sure where the price is going to move next. In this case, you could set up an OCO order that includes a limit maker order at 16,850. This one is to take profits, and then a stop limit sell order at 16,750 for the stop price. And finally, the limit price at 16,740. And we're going to sell 0.0007 Bitcoin. Then we click the sell Bitcoin button, and now we can see both orders at the same time, the limit maker order and the stop loss limit order. In this case, the limit maker order sell will only be executed if the price of Bitcoin rises to this level or higher, while the stop limit order will only be executed if the price of Bitcoin lowers to this level. Now, the best part of this order is that if either order gets filled, then the other one will get automatically cancelled. For example, let's say the price of Bitcoin went up and this order got filled. Then this order will get cancelled. And the other way around is the same. If the price lowers to this level, then this order will be cancelled. This way, you don't have to worry when you have two active orders at the same time. For this reason, OCO orders can be a really useful tool for traders who want to set up multiple trades at the same time without having to watch the market. So that's it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in understanding OCO orders, and if you have any questions or suggestions, make sure to leave a comment in the section below. Thank you for watching.